Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make a very simple dish also, seafood soup. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, fish guys. I chop into small pieces like this. This is blue marlin, and then shrimp, and this one guy balsaha. So shell niya balsaha sa Bisaya. Awa ko kay bawo kun sa English ani. Unya dayon coco mama or coconut milk, tomatoes, garlic, spring onions, and then white onions, ginger, and then chilies. Add all tomatoes, ginger, chilies, white onions, garlic, and spring onions. Okay, we're gonna add this one also, the balsaha. I washed it already, the balsaha earlier. Just a little soy sauce, pepper. Guys, okay, we just add more salt later. And now we gonna simmer this one until the shell nga maluto siya guys, okay? So we gonna cover first like this, okay? Okay guys, so luto na ang shell. So next, we're gonna add the fish. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna add the fish. And then, we're gonna add also the coconut milk. Okay. Then, kabiran sa nato, isimmer na to for a few minutes hantod nga maluto ang isda, okay? Okay guys, luto na ang isda. So, karon ato na pod ilunod ang pasayan guys. The shrimp. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste the kuanda if we need salt. We don't need salt as of now. It seems that it's good enough. So we're gonna simmer again for a few minutes until the shrimp na luto na siya. Okay guys, so that's our seafood soup. It's done. Okay, look at that one. It's super yummy na guys. If it is salty enough or just enough the salt. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, so this is it. Our seafood soup is done, and it's super yummy guys. Look at that one. And then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.